How to change thumbnail on Facebook Reels video. Let's begin with the video. Initially launch the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon at the top of your screen to open your profile. Once you are on your profile page, you will see your post including your Reels. Scroll down to your post to find the reel that you want to update. Once you are on the reel, tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the video. From the menu, select Edit Reel. At the top left corner of the editing screen, select the picture icon. You will see a few options. Choose a cover image. This allows you to pick a frame from the video itself and choose a different photo. Tap this option to upload a new image from your gallery. Now look through your frames or your gallery to find the perfect thumbnail. Once you are happy with the thumbnail, tap Save button at the top right corner. Lastly, tap on the Save option to finalize your decision. Your new thumbnail will be now set. This is how to change thumbnail on Facebook Reels.